Today I will be showing you how to upload video on Rumble. You need to log into your Chrome browser. I opened my Chrome browser and here I am going to search for rumble.com. Now you have to press on the sign up option if you don't have an account here. I don't have an account, so I will press this sign up option here. Here you have to fill all the required information. Once you have filled all the required information, now you have to check this box and now you have to click this register option here. Now it will ask you for the verification process. Check the boxes and then press the verify option here. Once everything has been done, now you can sign into your account. Now your account have been created on Rumble. If you want to upload any video to Rumble, you have to select this option here. Now you can press this upload video option. By pressing this option, you have to select your desired video you want to upload. You can select from your documents. After selecting your desired video, here you have to give the title of your video just like YouTube. Now paste any description you have already written, or you can write any description you want to write here. After that, you have to add video thumbnails. After choosing video thumbnails, you have to add tags. Once you have completed all the things, you have to press this upload button here. Now it will ask you to accept terms and conditions here. After accepting that, you have to press the submit icon. Once you press this button here, your video will be uploaded to Rumble. And that's how you can upload to Rumble.